important it is, for me, I think say a bit depending on Kurt himself, because you being the second vice president, who are a lot of influence in the game, the Kwame influence, and yet that huge. But say man for side and so. Because Kamara say, man who are at the say, Kurt arrived to the top with the football ABE. Because in the reduce one he can be able to go into office ABE to not quite over. Let's not forget, before the Kurt be do animal, on say, despite being Ghana FA president, now South Air Wafu be president. Yeah. So no will do the entire West Africa. No will do so say near Komo Wafu be do that qualifies into the 17 and a 20 Kwame Adetsin. Other than it will qualify. Sure. To actually be the president, because we are president, your people over there and they are from different background altogether. And one reason why I can't most of the say Anglophones no work I CAF say the Anglophones and also that's more of the English speaking countries, and they wanted balance in terms of the francophone and also the Anglophones, and I'm the second vice president, For me, I think say something commendable. You're born about because for somebody said Kwame and chair and NC Ebaya, your football ebe two Kofinchi, the trajectory and all the A Kosono, a trono, a Dejemu Aman Ghana, Nipa Kiano Sono Kwame, and the Ofuano. In the government, the FA president to rise to that pedestal, and the other second vice president Kwame, and some commendable, but Dika say, Yengi Sando Shin and the football night, aye. Unless I get Equano, Obenaji said he will learn from them because most of them come football and not because of their influence, but because of the policies that they put in places. And over the CAF president, I hear Dr. Patrice Mochepe, who is the FA president of South Africa. On kind committee Yanka MNCP say before say Ahmad maybe say we say we know Africa sikan farm ma edem call Dubai na for e go chele na Patrice Mochepe Kwame na we need locals be all the highest state of African football no can be because of Ahmad we never ekoye and then Sadia let's find a new face to spearhead our football in Africa. Okay. And then my Jerry Infantino, the president about the Sadia, or when near ma, Mochepe and South Africa and the Sundance team, and on when the secret influence the Okraku Kwame. This a man, I want to say, a kind of top 10 just in Africa, the DHMB. Sika, Odiri to Prada, or yes, Elbia. Sika same anything, and so no a man obvious come on my child said so no be about the money when you Kwame Sika say no car for them and to the car for no car bearing to buy and no be here will follow African football during the agency say one my of football in terms of financial to Kwame across the plan. Every condition be about Africa piano a be more than 100% increment in price salary and answer in price our budget the tournament from the winners to the second runner up to the first runner up to the third runner up each of the kind of worker funded by our oil the Sunday man can't echo and that's what make sure say Obesia no one finding where they got money to finance the idea African football Kwame Mabwa. Because the football the a lack of financial injection into our game, and no ASA and pay for the good answer no. About finance as a football no, a good dedication a football a game because the football a multi-million-dollar company. Jumakua in this game pan and so yeah no you Kwame a bit for spider about the more minor about the mark classroom tell them person all community shows and you learn from them make sure say they will be able to inject new means of life and cash into our football and then yaka Morocco yaka Algeria Kwame these are the countries that are fully African football because Among say for you to be able to get your class into the highest level of African football and Kwame is they are both the African Confederation Cup Champions League and they do finals of the and they come to Tanzania Cup no one and years gone back Kwame Tanzania Cup Tanzania Simba Ebaha the forgot top marksman. And you know, and he said, who was a car and Kakotofati maintaining Mokwala and Kongo Pimo Simba, and Simba Tinyere, and you're strong. And they said, I scale Tinuma, and maybe they can be able to keep most of the key players so we can go big dinner. And said, the financial injection anyone and for the Mekano, I want him to learn from them. And also, how are they run their situation in the Amanayakono? And they most of these nations in South Africa before say Danny Jordan no any come more boom nobody decided say you put it down a police don't be able to remember because it will be never for you confederate there and they don't say or more build their youth football and today now them make about how Orlando Pirates, any young players, and drew into the semi-finals of the CAF Champions League. And they Stellenbosch, that will do the semi-finals. And also for a Disky Challenge, on any Column, and they both say Sanders, and they play in Kulisi, a player from the academy, that made all the way to the senior side of Pamwere, Obo, Cassius Melula a player from the Biscuit Challenge, the youth football in competition in South Africa. Only free. Komoya Amaya Kono, Sika Bomb youth football. In Kwame Niskabomwa, the HS said you can buy the young best players into those big clubs. And they were Kwame, and they were young players. Right to dream, quality of young players. Second, any the other class, the other financial no man say they can go to them, get those players, infuse them into the academies. And their balance are going forward now. So for the senior team, any the players can go there and bring some of the players, and they will play for them. And also we are the the visionary leadership of the leaders of those nations, and yeah, magic be family like Jaya, Kanasema, before family like Jaya, Morocco. No Morocco, ya bomb mouth football, you. And they Ghana, Oba my that time, a Nipo mouth in Morocco. Okay. All because not too many money to them, the person can't echo and Kwame. Or many to be the same floating way for Kwame. I don't know, South America, and they on the first and we are the president first by before they come to him. It was the first call yesterday. What they make us and they South Africa are 12 points. Because I could use on call 5 players in a boy in the qualifiers and today I'm in Nigeria will be at 3 points. To what you penny was strong point they can be able to work the dark side for it can go against you. But when you put down strikes a economy, favor. So Neman the not Edemawa, the things are putting in place will be able to help you. Okay. But you didn't say class M1 and no for another day because Kwame, nowhere in the world, let me put it, nowhere in the world, Emma, the prize money of the commission, other league be Emma Club A. Players are Elali Eto Kwame and put the prize money in the Asian League. And they Ali Beramdani of 1.2 million euros. Kwame, Commission League. Oje this size caro. Mate, me say.